Jujube, also known as bear, is a small fruit that packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. This tiny fruit may not be as well known as some other superfoods, but it certainly deserves a place in your diet for its numerous health benefits. First and foremost, jujube is a great source of antioxidants. These powerful compounds help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can lead to chronic diseases and aging. By consuming jujube regularly, you can help protect your cells from damage and reduce your risk of developing conditions such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. In addition to its antioxidant properties, jujube is also rich in vitamins and minerals. This fruit is a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system and glowing skin. Jujube also contains vitamin A, which is important for eye health, as well as vitamin B6, which plays a key role in brain function and metabolism. Furthermore, jujube is packed with minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and iron, all of which are essential for overall health and well-being. Another health benefit of jujube is its ability to improve digestion. This fruit is high in dietary fiber, which helps to promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. Fiber also helps to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cholesterol, making jujube a great choice for those looking to improve their overall gut health. Jujube is also known for its calming properties. This fruit has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries to help reduce stress and anxiety. Jujube contains compounds that have a sedative effect on the nervous system, making it a natural remedy for insomnia and other sleep disorders. By incorporating jujube into your diet, you may find that you are able to relax more easily and enjoy a better night's sleep. Finally, jujube has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to a number of health conditions, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. By consuming jujube regularly, you can help reduce inflammation in the body and lower your risk of developing these conditions. Jujube may also help to alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, making it a valuable addition to your diet. In conclusion, jujube is a small fruit with big health benefits. From its antioxidant properties to its calming effects, this fruit has a lot to offer when it comes to promoting overall health and well-being. Whether you enjoy jujube fresh, dried, or in supplement form, incorporating this superfood into your diet can help you look and feel your best. So why not give jujube a try and experience the many health benefits for yourself?